as contained in the third schedule to the Senate Standing Orders. Each party will have 30 minutes to make their opening statements. Not more than 30 minutes. We will start with the County Assembly. The floor is yours.
Honorable Speaker, the members of the Assembly, I seek your guidance before we make our address, and I seek leave on Rule 10 of the Standing Rules and Article 50 of the Constitution in respect to a preliminary issue that has risen, and equally Rule 14. Any preliminary questions or issues raised by the County Assembly or the Governor shall be urged for not more than 30 minutes unless the Speaker otherwise directs. Honorable Speaker, I seek your guidance in respect to a communication that was done to this House by the County Assembly via a letter dated 17th August 2024 and then dated 18th August 2024. In the letter dated 18th August 2024, Mr. Speaker, sir, we saw that, sorry, let me begin down dated the 17th. We sought the indulgence of this Honorable Speaker to exercise its powers to summon a witness who was not within our ability. That is one CPA Virginia Kawira Meriti, who is currently the CEO of the MERU County Public Service Board. In our letter, Honorable Speaker, we laid out the basis upon which our application is premised, and that they also sought that she comes with any relevant information that relates to the proceedings before this Assembly this morning. Virginia currently works with the county government of Meru, and she's the CEO whom we intend to speak to various issues raised in our motion. That is to mean, Honorable Speaker, that she's an integral infrastructure in respect to laying the case and the basis of our the motion for impeachment, to the extent that if her availability is not secured, will end up prejudicing the case for the County Assembly. Equally, Mr. Speaker, sir, I spend enough and seek your guidance. We were served with the documents and the responses from the Governor's response team, and as correctly put and captured by your address this morning, Mr. Speaker, sir, we noted that there were some issues and very serious issues that were raised, some of them bordering between criminality or forgery of documents. Mr. Speaker, sir, in that respect, we noticed from the Governor's response a letter from one Linda Gaki Kiome, who is the legal advisor to the Governor, as at 23rd February 2024. We equally noted a purported letter from Jacob Kirari, the clerk of the County Assembly. This letter is purportedly received by the Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru. Mr. Speaker, sir, those two letters have been addressed and annexed as KM5, appearing on page 11 to 12 of the Governor's response at volume 1B. Additionally, Mr. Speaker, sir, the County Assembly of Meru seeks to summon the one Linda to come and speak to the authenticity of that letter. When she saw the response, she filed an affidavit which is yet to be placed on record before this Honorable Senate, but filed with the office of the clerk to the Assembly, dated 18th of August 2024. Mr. Speaker, sir, the risk of us not summoning these two individuals, and especially Mr. Jacob, to come and tell us whether the county assembly ever received those letters from the county governor, will be that we shall proceed on the basis of evidence that has criminal liability, that has criminal aspects. We will proceed to answer and to hear a case and a defense that is tainted with illegality. That means, Your Honor, so that means, Mr. Speaker, sir, that Article 50 of the Constitution shall be infringed, a right to a fair hearing, which must and shall not be derogated. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is alleged by the response at paragraph 54 to 56 of the governor's response.
For the county assembly.
Yes, Your Lord.
Are you still on the request?
Yes, Your Lord. I paid off on that.
You're still on the preliminary issue?
I seek your guidance. I paid off that. We seek the summoning of Virginia.
So let's dispense with that first.
Yes.
Then you may proceed.